you making tonight? This for my story.
Some steak and shrimp and mashed potatoes and corn.
Did on?
Filet mignon.
Okay. Gotta get baby from the back. It's the ingredients. Alright, Stunna in the cook-off. Stunna, do not play with them. Dead homies.
Come on now.
Don't play with them.
This ain't even a question.
Alright. Trying to start this either?
What?
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 You want the #1 spot or what?
Boy.
You bitches in trouble. You bitches in trouble. You bitches in trouble. You homies. Baby not playing. I must have put the smack down.
You're so crazy.
I put the smack down?
Huh?
I put the smack down? Is this the best you ever had?
You want me to answer that question?
Yeah.
Ask it again.
Is this the best you ever had?
Of course.
Ooh. Dead homies.
Here you go.
Must be the way you cooking in here. I must have did my shit. Shit. Okay. Baby, you in the cook-off still?
Shut up.
Dead homies? What you making? Ooh, shit.
There you go. Now you get a video.
I'm breathing your air, baby. It's your world. I'm just here for you.
You look good.
It's not even my house no more. Shit. You want it? You want this house? You know how that crab meat tastes, baby.
Oh, you already got me. Got a cup.
Got the emergency sub toast. Oh, that's a good one.
Sure.
Do you sub toast?
I'm not gonna lie.
Exactly.
Well, we don't want no lies told.
Big toast. You sub big toast. Big toast.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, and it comes already cut. You gotta get the details.
Yeah. Comes chopped already.
Okay.
We don't want you to work too hard, you know?
What's her favorite
Exactly. Look
song?
how easy that came out.
Ooh, shit.
Someone gets you.
Asshole, stop, girl, Blueface. Come on, get you, run it. Keep on,
Got you, thank you.
Okay, King, period. There you go, the big asshole, stop, girl, Blueface. Come on, get you, run it.
Hey.
Oh, and it comes already cut. You gotta get the details.
Yeah. Comes chopped
Okay.
already.
Alright.
Okay.
I don't want you to work too hard, you know?
What's her
Exactly.
favorite song?
Look how easy that came out.
Oh, shit. Someone gets you. Man, brother, people so very nice, you know.
How that crab meat taste?
Fuck, Chad, I got 121 subs. What's
That's
up?
it. I ain't gonna lie. You doing your shit.
How much do I get for that?
And like I said, it don't even come in a bag. I'm thinking it's gonna come in a bag.
Man, we